Now regarding the roof. So the roof size, okay, so here we have weight, we have length, we have distance from our walls, and roof height is represented here. So let's try to draw the roof, and voila, the program crashed again. So let's try to repeat again. Okay, it was nice, I saved my progress with floors. Now regarding the roof. Okay, let's put it here. So the size 8,940. 8.940. Okay, clicking escape. Seven 40. Okay, now in the middle I draw the line. Okay, before that I needed to change the height. Okay. One to 14. Okay, great. I divide roof into two parts. Select the line and move the line down to the center. And it should nicely grab the middle point. And just click on it. And let's try to click escape. It looks okay. And let's try to repeat the same steps here. Click escape, and here I have nice roof. Okay, let's select the roof, let's group it, and let's select the roof layer, texture roof layer, create it here. And also I need material for the roof and roof materials, and let's select some roof. Okay, maybe this one. And let's go down and select roof material and assign it. Okay, so roof created. Now I need to put it to the center of my building. So I grab the center of the roof and I just go on the top of my building. And just snap to the top. And now I need to check if my dimensions are correct. So for this task I will hide all the levels, layers, and use measurement tool and measure the distance 0.87 and here 0.8.7. So it means my roof is placed in correct position.